everyone, good morning. So our vlog for today is about cycling or bike riding. So I will teach you on the hand signals, the proper etiquettes, and I will give you some tips on this recreational activity. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! But first of all, we have to know what is cycling. So cycling, also called as bicycling or biking, is the use of bicycles for transport, for recreation, for exercise, or sport. People engaged in cycling are referred to as cyclists, bicyclists, or bikers. So while you cannot control other drivers' actions, you can control on how to ride and conduct yourself on the road. So here are the 7 etiquettes for cycling, or the tips to keep in mind when sharing the road with the other drivers. Number 1. Ride with traffic and not against it. You must ride with the direction of the traffic. This is a must. Second, you must ride on the road and not on the sidewalk. As we mentioned above, bikes are held to the same laws as cars. Whenever possible, ride on the shoulder of the road instead of the sidewalk. This is safer for you. The cyclists. Since cars will be expecting you in the street as you roll through an intersection or pass a driveway. It's also safer for pedestrians who aren't expecting an incoming cyclist. Number 3. You must take the lane. Despite any name calling or obscene gestures, this might provoke. As a cyclist, you have the right to take an entire lane. Number 4. This is the most vital proper etiquette. You must follow the rules. Just because you're on a bike, it doesn't mean you can roll through stop signs or red lights. Sure, it's against the law. But there's more to it than that. By following the traffic rules and patterns, you're more predictable, which makes riding with cars safer. Number 5. Bike lanes are your best friend, remember. If you have bike lanes or bike paths in your city, use them. Not only are they much safer than sharing the road with the cars, but they're more efficient for cyclists too. Number 6. Be consistent. Another way to help prevent any issues when sharing the road with the vehicular traffic is to be consistent. This means you need to ride in a straight line at consistent speeds whenever possible. And don't try to weave your way through stop traffic or take a shortcut through a parking lot. And lastly, be mindful of your surroundings. Only you will know what feels right and what doesn't when sharing the road with vehicular traffic. If something's not okay, or you're not comfortable on a specific road, don't be afraid to pull over. Stop riding and call someone to pick you up or wait until traffic clears up. So there you have it. I hope and I know that you listen. Can you apply those to yourselves?